Hi, this is Luis, and this is 60 Seconds with me.
Are you ready, Luis?
Yes.
Okay, and time starts now. Favorite vacation spot?
Um, Cancun,
Okay, nice. Something you're great at cooking.
hot cakes,
Yummy. Favorite cartoon character?
Homer Simpson.
Nice. As a child, what did you want to be when you grew up?
Um, I like to be a musician.
Okay, cool. Uh, who knew what time it was when the first clock was invented?
Nobody, just this. They got by the sun.
Awesome. Favorite meal?
Mole
Okay,
con pollo. Yeah.
yummy. Song you sing in the shower.
I don't know. Some song of Chayanne.
Okay, cool. And time's up. Thank you, Luis.
Are you ready for your 60 seconds of fame? Who's next?